Hello, my name's Nigel Yule, Senior Director of Product Marketing for Enterprise Performance Management at Oracle. I'm here at Open World and I'm joined by Amit Kaul from Electronic Arts. Amit, hi.
That's right. Hi, how do you?
I'm great. Now, Amit, I know you've been talking about Electronic Arts' use of Hyperion planning.
Yep.
Yeah, so one of the things that's interesting was you've actually reduced your forecasting cycle. You forecast less often, which is an interesting concept. We have people talk about forecasting more often. What was behind that?
The main reason behind reducing the forecast cycle was accuracy, quality versus quantity.
Right.
And we reduced the forecast from 17 days to 11 days, meaning less time data input, more time analyzing.
Okay, so more time analysing, quality, analysing time, your real added value time.
Yeah.
But also one of the things you said was you by centralising your planning process, you've really tightened the control of it. You've stopped duplicate effort as well around what people are doing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. I think a lot of business units were inputting forecast, which was getting duplicated at various levels. So we have done driver-based forecasting. We introduced driver-based forecasting into the system that reduces the amount of time each person puts in, and that the system automatically calculates your forecast, and then users have a capability to override it. But yeah, I think the system does it for us.
Okay, and also you said that you really cover all the gambits of planning. You're doing revenue and costs.
Yes, we are doing revenue and COGS. We're doing OPEX. We're doing headcount. There are enhancements to the system that we're continuously doing. So it's a transformational program for us versus doing everything as a big bang. So like, for example, now we are enhancing our CapEx module to get in more data from FA module, for example.
And of course, one of the interesting things about what you guys do is obviously you develop a game. That's a very expensive and probably a fairly time-consuming process. I guess you've got to be really careful about how much you invest in that and how much money you've been spending.
Exactly. Users do need a very accurate forecast from a game dev standpoint. How much are you spending in a certain time period, and what categories are you spending on? That gives a lot of flexibility or insight to the business user in terms of how do they want to control the OPEX or the CapEx numbers.
Because the guys that are doing that are not cheap, right?
Exactly, yeah. Exactly, yeah.
So just to close up, how many users have you got of Hyperion Planning?
We have 200 plus users that are inputting into planning and about 350 that are reporting out of the system.
Right. Thank you very much for sharing that with us. It's really great, and good luck and every success with as you carry on with your implementation.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you. And thank you for joining us.